It's been quite some while since I took my drone out, and I really have never flown at night, but I wanted to take it out and calibrate it tonight while I was outside putting some salmon on the grill. And I hear all the time in the neighborhood that there's like 2 party event places close by a house, and I wanted to know what really goes on. And I said, you know what? I see the lights going off in the sky. Let's fly the drone over that way and check it out. And I flew the drone over there, maybe about 400 yards away. And I flew it over to check it out and look down in there and see that, hey, it's pretty nice inside, pretty big, at this one place that I always see a lot of people attending, because from time to time it be so many people that they are parked in front of my gate here at home. And I walked back down there and I was wondering what goes on inside these events. So I flew the drone, hovered over it a little bit, check it out, and pretty nice place that you can rent. So then I took off and head down toward the other one just to see what the other one looked like from the air view, to see what goes on in that one as well. Since everybody was having a party on the block tonight, I decided to fly the drone and check it out for myself. I didn't get an invite to the party, but hey, I dropped in like Batman and got a bird's eye view on the party myself. So flew the drone down that way. Not too bad at night. You know, it's kind of hard to see at night, so you got to make sure you're at a high level, not to run into any trees or obstacles or power lines or any type of communication poles or towers. So I flew it over there, hovered for a while, and then I wanted to check out the other spot, as I mentioned before. And I left from there and I flew over to the other spot to check it out, which is a lot smaller than this one place here. But this place is pretty nice right here. It's a lot of space, a lot of room in there. Don't know the price of renting those event places, but it's pretty nice in there. And as you see, I took off and went down the road a little bit after I found my way out of here, because it's kind of hard flying at night, looking on your screen, and you can't really see what's in front of you in the dark. So I took off and from this area and headed out to the other place to check it out. Now you got to understand, it's not easy flying at nighttime. If you're a first-time flyer, you're an amateur flyer, I wouldn't recommend it. I'm no pro, but I do have a little time under my belt flying drones, but not much time at night. But I try to look for landmarks that help me out a little bit when I'm looking into my device camera on the phone. And this is the other place. It's pretty small, smaller than the last place. But just wanted to show you guys a little bit of night flight, and hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of this night area view that I have here. Hey, I appreciate you guys watching as always. Until the next one. Bye now. Peace. One love.